The 2011 Ford F-150. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.